How to find saved Reels videos on Instagram. First of all, open your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Let's move into the Reel section and save one of the Reel video. Let me save this video for now. Tap on this three dot right here. Tap on save and this Reel video will be saved. Now in order to find this saved Reel video, go back to your feed and move into your profile. Tap on three horizontal line at the top right corner. The option of save will appear. Tap on it. And then tap on all posts. Tap on this Reel icon right here. So there you go, in this section you'll get to find all of the Reel video that you have saved. You can see that this is the Reel video that I have just saved before. Scroll down and you'll get to see all of them. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to find saved Reels on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.